7 signs you will be fired at work. Does your boss neglect you during meetings? How do you find out if you're going to lose your job? Will favoritism make you lose your job? What makes you the worst employee? Getting late to work or finishing work on time? According to Times of India, whopping 47% of employees in India do not feel secure in their positions. In this data, there's a representation of the fear of job loss. An HR professional, Sarah's world seemed to crumble as her scream echoed through the office, mixing with the hum of the air conditioning. The signs were there, and now she was facing the reality of being fired. Did she ignore the signs? Today, we'll be discussing the 7 signs that may indicate that you are at a risk of being fired from your job. It's important to be aware of these signs so that you can take proactive steps to address any issues and potentially save your job. So let's get started. Sign number 1, a sudden change in your boss's behavior towards you. If you notice that your boss is being more distant, critical, or avoiding you altogether, it could be a sign that they are considering letting you go. Suddenly, do you feel you have nothing to do at the workplace? Maybe that is a sign too. Sign number 2, a decrease in your workload or responsibilities. If you find that you are no longer being assigned important tasks or projects, it could be a sign that your employer is preparing to terminate your employment. Do you get negative reviews about your performance? Sign number 3, negative feedback on performance or reviews. If you are receiving more criticism than usual, or if your performance reviews have taken a turn for the worse, it may be a warning sign that your job is in jeopardy. Nobody talks to you. You spend a complete day alone at work. Sign number 4, a lack of communication about your future with the company. If your employer is not discussing your long-term prospects or career developing opportunities, it could be a sign that they are planning to let you go. Are you ignored or excluded from important decisions? Sign number 5, being excluded from important meetings or decisions. If you are no longer being included in key discussions or decisions within your team or department, it could be a sign that your employer is phasing you out. Is everyone questioning you at work? Sign number 6, a sudden increase in micromanagement. If your boss or supervisor is suddenly monitoring your every move or constantly checking in on your progress, it could be a sign that they are losing trust in your abilities. Do you hear gossips about you at work? Or do your colleagues give you suspicious looks? Sign number 7, rumors or gossip about your job security. If you hear whispers or rumors circulating around the office about a potential termination, it is important to take these warnings seriously and address any concerns with your employer. In conclusion, it is important to be aware of these signs and act if you believe your job may be at risk. By addressing any issues proactively and seeking feedback from your employer, you may be able to turn things around and secure a position within the company. Thank you for watching. And as always, please like, subscribe, and comment so I know about your opinions and experiences as well. Take care, and I always believe employee wellness leads to successful business. Thank you.